Hey guys, I'm back again. As you know, I'm always going to start off with my Wonder Crown by Mazzani. This is my sister. I did her color a few months ago, and she's been dealing with some postpartum shedding along with some COVID shedding. That's what she say. Because my niece is about 2 years old right now. Okay, but needless to say, she's been dealing with a lot of shedding and things like that. So she just come out of some braids. So as you like I said, as you know, I always start each client with a pre-treatment with the Mazzani Wonder Crown. So I did her wash and everything and blow dry. And she specifically came in because she was dealing with some really bad breakage. So we already knew that, we was gonna cut off a good amount of hair. So I blow dried her. She was natural. So right here in the video, I'm showing her, I'm showing the camera, like how much damage she really has. So went on ahead and got my clippers because y'all already know I told y'all I work smarter, not harder. So I went on ahead and did her perimeter cut using my clippers and everything. And now you just see me use my liners. I always have my clients hold their head down because, of course, under there's some hidden little hairs. My sister is very dramatic, y'all. So I always say she's like my worst client. But we cut it into a cute little bob. She actually needs a whole lot more cut off. She doesn't believe me. So yeah, this is a start. So I always tell her, so she loves being blind. So I always tell her, you gotta remember the lighter your hair is, the more it's prone to damage. So, keeping it moisturized and things like that, is gonna be key. Making sure you having that moisture in your hair. So she wanted some face framing in the front. And so I did it, but I don't think she really understood what face framing was. But I also really did go in the inside, and I had to do some layers and everything. Because like I said, she actually needed way more cut off. She probably should have did a pixie, but she was like, nah, girl, I ain't doing no pixie. So right here, you just see me kind of, I'm point cutting because I want to get like in the inside of those, that hair, but I'm creating some layers as well. And so, she told me she wanted her hair to be straightened straight. She wanted me to, style it straight. So I did. So then after that, she was like, after I did the cut, I was like, okay, girl, you can leave now. But then she was like, really? And I was like, yeah, you said you wanted it straight. So then she was like, well, I didn't really mean that. And I'm like, okay, you the client. You said you wanted it straight, so we gonna give it to you straight. So yeah, that's her and I like going back and forth and stuff like that about the face framing, because she was like, well, I'm the client, so you should know what I mean. And I'm like, well, you said you want face framing, so I'm asking you, where do you want it to stop? So anyway, so I wound up bumping her ends and everything with the Be Kind Apex flat iron that I received. And she's on her way to her healthy hair journey. Like I said, she just needs to take care of it. For the most part, like I said, since she had her daughter, she hasn't really been able to really like keep up and maintain her natural hair, because she normally wears she used to wear her natural curls, but now flat ironing and wearing braids is her thing. So yeah, we just did a little 1-2 little bump and everything. She complains about everything, but yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm about to hurry up and get you in and out because I'm tired. And my grandson is there in the salon with me. So, yeah, this is how I spent my Sunday. on yesterday. And so, yeah, I'm going to just let this play out and you guys can see the end. Also, I did, since she did just come out of braids and everything, I did do multiple treatments. I did a bond building treatment on her. We didn't do a protein treatment because we did a protein treatment before she got braids. Always do a hydration treatment on my clients. So a steam hydration treatment. So we did the bond building, we did the hydration treatment. Set under the steamer for 15 minutes. Yeah. And that was about it. So you guys let me know what you think. If you have any questions or anything, leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button. There she goes with her little shaking video and everything. So thank you guys for watching.